Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Araw TV, and for today's video we'll be doing another unboxing. So hindi ko nagkakamali, pangatlong unboxing video ko na to. So yung unang in-unbox natin is yung Insta360 Go 2, and the other one which I uploaded last week was the Ozuko hard case backpack. No? So both of them can be useful or are actually useful when it comes to traveling. And for today's episode, we'll be doing another video or unboxing video of an item na talagang magagamit, lalo na tulad nating mga riders, tulad nating nagmo-motorsiklo. Kasi for today's video we'll be unboxing yan. I think kita niyo naman kung ano yan, no? This one. Okay. So today we will be unboxing the SMK half-face helmet, which I bought last Saturday. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the SMK Retro Jet. Okay, so this is the top. Sides niya, ikot natin. SMK helmets. So let's open this. Okay, so I like how they pack this. Kasi bubble wrap na nga yung and then it comes in a bubble wrap again. Bago natin buksan yan, ito yung malaman ng kahon. So we have some accessories here. But we'll have that later. And then silica gel. Wala na. Okay. So pinag natin yan. So yung mga the accessories, yun na itong main event. Here, so we have manual, then labels, we also have sticker, SMK sticker, and then keychain. So, feeling ko pang adjust ng visor or pang open sa visor. Okay. With an SMK engraving. So, those are the accessories na kasama ng helmet. Now, let's get into the main event. The helmet itself. So, as you can see, kita naman behind the bubble wrap, meron siyang so maganda yung mga, actually very useful yung helmet bags, lalo na kung lalabas na yung mga display, so you can put yan yung the bag para maprotektahan na especially the visor, kasi talagang pinaka mahirap ng lagas kasi. So here it is, black, red, white lining, and then SMK branding. Okay, by the way guys, this is unsponsored, so I'm doing this on random things that I buy online. Wala lang, wala maisip na content eh. Okay, so maganda yung lubid niya. And it has a lock. Okay, so the moment of truth. By the way, I will not be making a review. I'm just unboxing. Okay, so, maganda yung bag, makapal. So, here it is. far so good. So yan, yung mga notice taken dito yan. Tissue accessories, but not that. This is the SMK Retro Jet Half-face helmet. Okay. So meron siyang clear visor, crispy. Then, lining niya, medyo malambot. Let's see if it's comfortable and if it's it can provide protection. Okay. Panggalin ko lang muna to. The thing is, it uses D-lock. Hindi siya yung auto-lock system. So it has the branding inside. Single visor. Tanggalin natin yung sticker. Malalim ang pagkakakabit. Wow. Nice. Okay, let's see it. Let's try it again. Good. So it has may ventilation siya dito sa upper part yan. And then it is yan kasi it's certification here, diba? And ang size na kinuha ko is it has ECE certification. Kinuha ko is actually this is extra large and it weighs at around 1.5 kilograms. To be exact, it's 1,550 grams. So, sa kalahating kilo. And then, hindi siya round talaga. Kasi may lining siya. So, this will be my daily use helmet. I will be using this helmet daily. So, bakit ba ito bumili ng helmet? Kasi ginagamit ko pang araw-araw is a substandard helmet which can still protect you, which can still provide protection. However, syempre, since buhay ang nakasalalay, mas magandang klase ng helmet ang gagamitin natin. Diba? Itong helmet na ito, pwede rin siyang pang long drive. So, bakit ito bumili ng half-face helmet? Unang-una talagang dahilan is magaan. Okay, so I'll show you the helmet which I bought before or back then nung bumili ako ng motor. Okay, let's compare. So, this is the first helmet that I bought. It is an LS2 modular helmet. So, maganda siya. Actually, sa totoo lang kung ganda at ganda. Okay, dual visor siya. Pasensya nyo naman. Dual visor siya. Okay. Makapal yung phone. But the problem is, it's 1.750 kilograms plus 50 grams, so 1.8 kilograms. Mabigat. Sakit sa leeg. Lalo na kung malayuan na ang biyahe. So, that's the reason. Kaya, bumili ako ng SMK Retro Jet Classic. Yan. Diba? Bagay na bagay kay lipstick. So that will be all for today, and I hope that you enjoyed our short unboxing video, and I hope that everyone will stay safe, and sa lahat ng riders dyan, ride safe. Bye!